Hi, I am Indranil, and I started my career with IBM as a supply chain procurement specialist. Right now, I am in Verizon India Data Services Private Limited. So here I'm working as a consultant, and my domain is basically to provide solutions to my client. It is a data-driven solutions that what I provide to my client. So before I discovered analytics with their data science was pretty much a vague topic to us. So we used to use words such as big data, data analytics, data science as interchangeably. So what this particular course has helped me is to identify what is what about data science, what is data analytics, what is data engineering. So that is the best part of it. And now I have much more clarity about what I am doing, what is the topic all about, where exactly which tool has to be used, and so on and so forth. So this is I would say this is the best thing that I got out of this course. I came to know about the analytics vidya from one of my friends. Then I enrolled into analytics vidya, and immediately I got a call, and I was completely guided by the counselor as to how to go about it, what are the links that where we should transactions, and that's it. Like we got this LMS platform, and immediately we were up and running with the course. So there were no hassles as of as such for me. Right. I had actually gone ahead and did a research myself that what are the best possible courses out there in the market so that I can get the best knowledge out of it. So how analytics will they help me is it is a self-paced course. For me, I mean having 12 years of experience and working day in and day out in office, it helps a lot. So I can do it at my own will whenever I find some time and there is no extra added pressure on me. So which is the best part of this course? So again, the content that we had, there are a lot of free courses available in Analytics Vidhya, which gave me a very good cue as to how the other courses, which are the paid courses, are coming up to me. It is very much sequential. So what has to be learned after what is very important for an aspiring data scientist like me. To add it on, I would say that the way it has been presented, we have the presenters like Kunal, we have presenters like Pranav, and they explain the subject matter in such a way that it becomes very easy for us to grasp. In case, since it is a video based content, we can always go back and rewind and then play it again if we are stuck somewhere. That is a huge bonus for us. And at the same time, we have got comments section as well, wherein if we have any questions, I can write down the questions and immediately I can expect an answer. And although I can see that if there are other students who have also posted a similar question to that of myself, me before, and I can get a very good cue from that as to how a particular problem should be solved. When I completed the Tableau course, so I was not that good in visual presentation and visual data visualization software, and I came to know about all the tools and how to use a Tableau overall. I think that I told to myself that I have just made the right choice, and I am much better off now in terms of providing a presentation to my senior leadership. At this point of time, what I see is that if I get a certain particular problem, I'm able to analyze it. Although I'm in the middle of the course, I'm able to analyze it. I'm able to code in a Python, and I'm able to give a solution. A lot of colleagues that I have who are not able to devote specific time on the weekends or on the weekdays. I mean, they might be busy for a week or two, and then they are free for a certain week. So what they look forward is a flexible course, a flexibility in the course. At the same time, they also want to know more about the subject. So I have recommended them as well, and they have also started taking up the courses. And I see that it is a very good platform. It is a very well reputed institute from where we are getting the certification. When you complete a certificate, you feel confident within yourself that yes, I have done achieved something, and now I am in a position to apply the same thing in my work.